with their charm, enthusiasm, and they lift up the spirit of each and everybody with their energy. So the question is, what is that really reflects through them, that makes the room lightened up and that lifts up the spirits of the people? That is their confidence, which starts reflecting the time when they walk into the door. Now, confidence is something that is really very fake. That means you have to fake it until you make it. That means whenever you enter a room, whenever you are present in front of anybody, you have to fake that you are very confident. You have to fake and make them realize that you are a kind of a personality which is really very charming, and your body language should sound like that. Now, how can you develop that kind of a confidence in yourself? Now, it is very easy. You have to be positive for yourself. Now you have to appreciate whatever small things you have accomplished within your day and in your life, and whatever is your achievement. Now you will feel yourself that you are confident. Now for confidence, what you really need is positiveness, is optimism for your own self. Now if you really want to be confident, reflect upon yourself, all the positiveness around you. Don't at all pay attention to the negativities, because see, our human brain is trained like that it focuses on the negative things first and deletes all the positive around it. So you have to make sure that you are not feeling despaired with any of the thing negative which goes around you. Stay focused on all that is positive around you. This is the first point I can give you. Second thing that you can aid for your confidence is that you have to fake. You have to reflect like you are a confident personality. You have to try to reflect from your body language, your posture, that you are a confident personality. And when your posture and body posture and body language, your handshaking style is a bit of like a kind of a fake and an acting like, it would transmit a feeling to the next person that you are a kind of charming personality. Now guess what is the third point? The third point is higher self-esteem. Now you must have achieved some or the other thing in your day, in your life, in your career, anything it may be. So when you start reflecting that upon yourself, think that moment and you will ultimately start feeling confident. Now how does it really work? Now this has a psychology behind it which is very interesting. Now do you want to know? Let me know in the comment section if you want to really know, then I will uncover this in the next video. But a little bit that I can tell you about this is that when you think what you want to become, or when you think, that really reflects, that starts reflecting on your body language. Now if you think about an achievement, that will start reflecting on your body language, and you will sound and that frequency matches, and you will be in a poise of an achiever, or let's say a very confident personality. So it works like that, it is like that. So try to remember some kind of an achievement of your life, or something that really is appreciating about yourself. Now the fourth point, guess what it is? Now, it is a very interesting point. The fourth point is visualization and affirmation. Now visualization and affirmations are really very deep to get inside it, but I will try to wrap it up into a pill and present it to you. So visualization helps a lot in everything, anything you want to achieve, anything you want to make anyone realize or want to show up, then visualization is a kind of magical thing that can happen to you. Now what you need to do is very simple. Whenever you wake up in the morning, start visualizing, start affirming that you are a confident personality. Start affirming that you are really a person that has got a lot of fame, and people really respect you, people really appreciate you for your work, people really feel to be with you, they like your company. And when you feel and visualize this, it programs your thought to reflect upon your body. And it works like that. Now this is more into NLP, that is Neuron Linguistic Programming, but this is a whole lot of a different branch, and I think I can make a video on it if you want. So let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything about NLP, alright? So this was the last but not the least, the very amazing and the most interesting point in the whole video. That is visualizing yourself being confident and visualizing, affirming yourself that I am confident. I am a person who has achieved the things because of my confidence. So this is what you can do, and that's all for this video. I've given you 4 fabulous points to be confident, and these are very easy and simple to perform. And there are so many other pointers that I can give you for really behaving like a confident personality, but I don't want to overwhelm you. Now these information which I have given you is not just an information, it is all about getting results. Now I can bet that if you follow the tips given in this video, there is no chance that you cannot rock. Alright, you will become a confident personality, because these information are not just information. This is all about getting results. Alright. Now if you found this video useful, hit the like button or give it a heart, give it a thumbs up, and tell me in the comment section what was the point that you liked the most, and also let me know that what is the next topic do you want me to make a video on, and also share this video to a lot of your friends so that they can also get benefited by this video. Alright? Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and plus if you're watching it in Instagram or Facebook, make sure that you follow this page. Alright? So make sure you check out more videos on my channel. This is Vardan Sahu signing off until we meet again. Then.
You are a confident. You are a cornflakes, परसों बोलेंगे हॉर्लिक्स, प्लान परसों बोलेंगे बॉर्नविटा.